Hey, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a white cursor on Google Docs. So maybe some of you are going to face the problem of having a white cursor into the Google Docs. So it is going to reduce the precision of the writing and it is not going to show up the cursor. We need to open up the run command widget or the run command tab into our PC. And how we can do that, basically you're going to press the window button into your keyboard and click on R, just like that. If this doesn't work, you need only to click on the search bar of your window and type in run, just like that, and open that. Now, what we're going to do basically is to open up a command in here or type it, and then we're going to open it. So we're going to type in here main.cpl and we are going to open it. Basically, it is going to open up your mouse properties. Now, what are we going to do as a first step is to head over the tab of the pointer options. Click on here and make sure that we are going to have this command or this tab hide pointer while typing is going to be off. So it is going to make the cursor transparent when you're going to type, of course. We're going to click on apply and here you go. Now we are going to wait for the application of this and then we are going to click on OK. If this doesn't work, you need to head over the second option as you're going to head over the type or the tab of the pointers. Click on it and you're going to search for the text select and you're going to find it in here. So we are going to have the scheme. You're not going to change anything from here. You need only to head over to the customize, click on text select. After that, you're going to click on browse and from here, we're going to type in beam or click on beam and you're going to select beam R, for example. And then you're going to click on it or open it. After that, you're going to apply and click on OK. And with that, we're going to resolve the problem of the blank or the white cursor. That was all for today's video. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.